Hello students and welcome back to another lesson in PE. Me and my other instructors this week have been bringing science into the lesson that we will be doing with you guys today. So this will be an in-class, in-person, face-to-face class. So I'm just going to kind of describe how it would go. For my activity, we are going to work on heart rates and how we measure them. So what we will do is we will have 6 stations marked around the area of the gym, and kids will partner up, and then with their partner they will get a sheet of paper like I'll show you here quick. So with this sheet of paper we're going to be working on heart rates and how we measure them. So what we know with heart rates is to check our heart rates we will take our pointer finger and our middle finger and put them right on our wrist, on the inside of our wrist, right under our thumb, to check for our pulse. And if you can't find it there, we can also check on our neck as well, but mainly we'll do the one on the wrist. And so what we'll do with these exercises is we're going to find our heart rates. And so to start, how you find your heart rate is you count how many beats you get in 15 seconds, and then you multiply that by 4. So that's how you get your heart rate. So check your pulse, find your pulse spot, and then we count for 15 seconds how many beats we feel, and then multiply that by 4 to get a heart rate. So with this exercise, students will partner up. They will have 6 different stations, all marked here 1 through 6. And at each station, you'll be doing an exercise. So when you get to the station, you'll be guessing before you do it what you think your heart rate will be for after the exercise. And so what will happen is you'll guess it. That's kind of like a hypothesis, like in science. And then we will figure out our heart rate before we do the exercise, and then we'll find our heart rate after the exercise as well. And then with our partner will help us count those 15 seconds for when we're doing our heart rate, and our partner will also count how many reps we do in a minute. Now, if you get tired or anything like that, you need to rest, just stop quick and then keep going when you can. And then you'll do each exercise for 1 minute, and then after that, you'll rest for 30 seconds to bring your heart rate back down. And while you're resting for those 30 seconds is when I want you to make your guess heart rate here, what you think it will be. And then we'll go in order. There will be multiple groups at each station because we only have 6. But each station will take 1 minute, and then you'll rest 30 seconds and then keep going. And we'll do that as a cycle thing for this activity. And then at the end, I will have the students answer a question of how did you guess your heart rate? How did your guess heart rate compare to your actual heart rate after the activity? So, did you guess the right heart rate, or were you low, or were you higher? Were some activities making it your heart rate more, or did some make your heart rate less? So we'll do this activity in the classroom, and this is just one activity that works with the science portion of it. Thanks. Have a great day, students.